Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the home of the 5 minute or less video. I'm at here today making my YouTubes. It's been nice working. I'm in Fort Lauderdale, kind of looking over the beach area, so it's a pleasure to be here with you today. I have a whole team of former IRS agents. You can find me in the description section below. I've been making these YouTubes for 2 years for three reasons. As a former IRS agent and insider, I like to tell you what IRS thinks about cases so you can hear the truth. To educate you, to inform you, and most of all, so you don't get ripped off. There is a lot of garbage on YouTube from people saying things that they're not necessarily true. There are good people, but there's probably a lot more bad people on YouTube than good people. I should know. I have worked about 10,000 cases. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters, and I've represented thousands and thousands. I probably worked 10,000 cases. I've been on Fox Business News, ABC, all the all the stations that you probably 10 national stations. I do want you to know that an IRS audit can easily turn into a criminal tax investigation. Does it happen a lot? No, it does not. Um, Pardon me, I'm dealing with a little bit of flu bug, but it can, and that's what I want to talk to you about. If you got a simple audit, you can take care of it yourself. If you have a larger dollar audit, don't even get near it. Hire a professional. Being a former IRS agent, I know IRS agents do the best job. I mean, our team is amazing for audits. But I do want you to know about this one element because people don't talk to you about that, in that audits can turn into investigations. Auditors, revenue agents, auditors actually are trained to look at cases and turn them over to the criminal investigation if they think that there is fraud involved. Examples are like a double set of books. If the agent finds you lying to them, or if they find you in a cash lifestyle, or they taking false deductions, claiming expenses really that you shouldn't, and they know there was a fraudulent intent, they can easily go ahead and turn cases like this over to a criminal. So you have to know that they're making mistakes. Certainly is not a crime. Making innocent errors certainly is not a crime. Common sense will go ahead and tell you. But if you're trying to deceive and willfully deceive, those are cases that an auditor can go ahead and turn that over to a criminal investigation. And if you're scared or you're nervous, whatever you want to do is do not go ahead into the audit. You really want to have somebody who knows what they're doing represent you. Whether your tax return is close to being right, close to being wrong, or really borderline criminal activity. And those are the cases. I'm really here to talk to you about, and that's why I'm doing this. Don't get yourself here behind the 8 ball. If you have made mistakes, you think you're close, or you've taken maybe a couple deductions that are questionable, and maybe put too many receipts down for restaurants. I'm not talking about stuff like that. I'm talking about willful deceit and willful fraud. Just so you know, they're trained to look at that and turn those over to criminal investigation. If you think so, let me know. We have a former IRS criminal investigator on staff, Robert Norlander. He's welcome to help to talk to you really about these things. So if you're not sure and you want that initial consultation, let us know. We'll put you in touch with them. But we have a whole team of former IRS agents to help you through the problem. Always file a correct tax return. If this has happened to you years ago and you're not sleeping at night, you may want to call us. You'll find us in the description section below. Thank you for listening to my YouTube station. If you'd give me a subscription, I would certainly appreciate it. That's really big. YouTube values those. If you want to leave me a comment, you're welcome to do this. This isn't a scare tactic on our part. We just try to give you the information you need to know. Once again, I appreciate the subscription. Thank you so much.